Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining the webinar this morning. We'll talk specifically about data integrity best practices and regulatory expectations. We're going to look specifically at the MHRA GMP data integrity definitions and guidance that was released in January 2015, and also what to expect or what the FDA is doing in regards to data integrity by looking at some warning letters. So the agenda for today is very extensive. We do have a lot of items to cover. So we're going to talk about what is data integrity, the impact of data integrity issues, where can data integrity failures happen, how to know when it's happened, intentional and unintentional types of failure, how to get to the root cause of data integrity failures, the long, slow route to repairing the damage of failures, what the EU is saying via the MHRA guidance, warning letters that tell us how it is detected by the FDA, and how to prevent data integrity failures from happening. Some key objectives is to understand the data integrity definitions and the guidance document from the MHRA. Also to examine how to examine your supply chain and development programs with the use of quality risk management to identify where risk of data integrity lapses are present. To be able to look for the signs that lets you know that you have data integrity problems. Also telling the differences between intentional and unintentional failures. A remediation plan that can be developed to decrease risk. Also, how to be proactive in areas the FDA is silent by learning from the Europeans and being a little bit ahead of the game, and how regulatory agencies detect data integrity problems. So starting with a brief overview. So in January of 2015, the MHRA actually published the GMP data integrity definitions and guidance. And it was further revised in March of 2015 after there were some clarifications provided by stakeholders on different questions and how to implement the guidance in their organizations and also what things actually mean. The document provides MHRA data integrity expectations for the pharmaceutical industry, but global agencies such as the FDA and Health Canada are utilizing the guidance along with GMP regulations and national standards in their respective areas in order to perform inspections of manufacturers. The guidance is not necessarily standalone, but it's meant to complement existing GMP regulations that are related to finished dosage forms, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and substances. So impacted industries by the data integrity guidance are going to be your pharmaceutical manufacturers, basically all dosage forms, analytical laboratories to include in-house and or contract analytical laboratories, component suppliers, and also your raw material suppliers and vendors. So any company that is basically part of your supply chain will be impacted or is impacted by the data integrity guidance. So agency expectations regarding data integrity is that the number one thing is that it should be incorporated as part of the quality management system. There should be the adoption of risk management, quality risk management approaches to assist with implementation strategy. The identified risk by the organization or the risk to product quality is going to dictate the amount of effort and the resources that are going to be dedicated to data governance. And the goal is also to design and operate a system which provides an acceptable state of control based on data integrity risk that have been identified through your quality risk management approach. Agency expectation is also that you design and operate a system which is fully documented. And that documentation should have the supporting information that says this is your rationale for the things that you're doing. Also can be checked by means of generally accepted scientific methods. So understanding what is considered to be data.